Hey number crunchers! Welcome to your Jojo Smart Play, the only place on YouTube where math isn't just a subject. Kids, are you ready?
What's 6 plus 4? It's 10. What's 3 plus 4? It's 5. What's 7 plus 3? It's 10. What's 5 plus 5? It's 10. What's 4 plus 5? It's 9. What's 3 plus 2 plus 5? It's 10. What's 3 plus 3 plus 4? It's 10. What's 2 plus 4 plus 4? It's 10. Like and subscribe to the channel.